The first half was not that good. The goals we gave away, yeah, they have to do with smartness, alertness. The second goal they scored, we let them take a quick free kick. The first goal they scored, we need to use on the side track a little bit more his body to give the ball away, etc. But in the end it was still okay. Second half we completely outplayed Goa. There was only one team that played football, not Goa, that was us. Also you see how we scored the goal, I don't know from how many passes, and in the end it's still a delivery. For all the critics that talk about ball possession, played football and not being effective. We come back to the 2-2. And then, in the end, I go back to the part that I'm struggling all season with, is that you want to make some changes that I can't. I have to put players in a position that they are not playing, but you have to refresh. For instance, on the right wing, Sajid Sen, who was coming back from an injury, didn't train for 2 weeks. I mean, he trained, but was not fit, and you can see then the fitness level drop, and have a few positions like that, and that makes it difficult. In the end, I would love to see the 3-2 if it was offside or not. So it could be wrong, but I have a feeling that was an offside goal. And then I said, if you keep pressing, in the end I was discussing with my assistants, because 2-2 was not good enough. I wanted to go for a win. I was playing with 3 in the back, but in the end, yeah, you need to be a bit more aggressive in the back in your marking. But also that is quality. And then you see with Goa, they have a little bit more specific qualities, in my opinion, to finish it. We missed 2 foreigners. We didn't even have a foreigner on the bench, and they are always that little bit extra that you miss. But if anyone dares to say that we didn't outplay them, then he doesn't understand football.
The Kerala coach had mentioned that Kerala had dominated the entire second half. That said, was it a conscious move at 2-2 towards the end of the game, the last 5 minutes, to try and protect the lead? Because you brought on Xavier Rao, the defender.
I agree about Kerala dominate the second half. I think the first half is for us, the second half is for Kerala. But the most important thing for me is I am very proud of my players, the strong mentality, belief till the end, and in the worst moment of the match, react well and to score 1 goal, very important for us, and to get a big victory against a very good team in the second half.
No, sorry. What I'm trying to say here is, was it a conscious move on your part to get a defender for Bumu the last time?
No, it's not. In the half time, I spoke with my players about defender tuning is to score the 3rd goal. But you play against another team, and maybe it's not possible that you won. Because the opponent team played very well in the second half, have the ball, keep the position, to create chances against us, and it's not intention for us go back. The opponent team to get put us in a bad position, but it's not our intention. Our intention is to continue attacking, is to score the 3rd goal, because I think it's very important to finish the match when you want 2-0 to score the 3rd goal, but the conditions of the match change our plans, because we